So this is the situation right now. Here's the bike. We've still got the pedals on because we couldn't find the right part to like get them off. Right now we're sanding it down. Here are the wheels, the brakes, and then here's the forks, the old fork. Gonna get a new one, the handlebar. The seat, and then this is like the old. The chain should be somewhere here. There it is. Gonna be using some black meat paint, and maybe if we get techie, maybe some white one. So now we're outside, and as you can see, we already painted the handlebars, and it's outside drying up, and the paper sanded down.